Low-cost internet advertising solution versus conventional advertising. Since the early 90s, the internet has become known as a medium for advertising. It has also been preferred by consumers and businessmen in public shopping and business dealings. Unlike any other media, like television, radio and print, internet advertising solutions with its low cost has become widely used. Due to the considerable growth in figures of internet users, and because of the inexpensive internet advertising solutions, it has more capability for multimedia subject matter. It could capture texts, images, video and audio. The advertisers could produce logos, moving banners, animated and 3D imagery. With these in hand, advertisers mix these forms to produce successful and low-cost internet advertising solutions. Not only does an affordable internet advertising solution serve as a communication station, it also assists in an effortless system for transaction distribution. This is the only medium that could help people do business within a short period of time. With just one click and a money-saving internet advertising solution, shoppers could get all the information they need by visiting any website. The businessman could obtain the services he needs. The company is happy doing business with their clients. The clients are happy doing business in the comfort of their homes. Unlike meeting in person, wherein time and money could be wasted, the low-cost internet advertising solutions benefits the company in which the services and products are receiving sales. Plus, it also benefits the consumers who receive comfort and satisfaction guaranteed. Inexpensive internet advertising solutions are able to lead other advertising medium because they were developed to be interactive. When a consumer reads and clicks on a web advertisement, it is easier and more convenient to respond or inquire with email and business reply cards. Unlike other advertisings, low-cost internet advertising solutions' ability to answer feedbacks in real time enables the companies to reply, resolves complaints and answer inquiries. Internet advertising solutions provide a low-cost and effective resolution for attracting targeted, high-quality customers. This low-cost internet advertising solution also provides website publishers with a prospect to generate advertising revenue from their unsold marketing inventory. Conventional advertising could never be replaced. However, because of developments in the technology, people prefer their services online. With low-cost internet advertising solutions present, the consumers, companies, advertisers, and even the common people's lives have been given a deserving contentment.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.